Hi you guys, happy Reset Sunday. Want to let y'all know I'm feeling a little better. My stomach is okay. I'm able to eat now. Eat like real solid food because I was eating liquid. And now I have a headache, so I'm still not out under the weather, but I'm a little bit much better from others. So yeah, let's get our Reset Sunday started. Alright y'all, and we're back as I got fully dressed. Reset Sunday. Hold on. We have our candle lit as always. Alright you guys. So this is what we're doing today. I'm going to be printing out labels today for Mother's Days. So yeah. Stay tuned to see them on the label.